Assalamualaikum guys, hope so you all are well. So today we are going to have a lecture on Oxford Progressive English for grade 1. We are going to do unit number 2, lesson 5, writing. So activity number A, circle the correct words to complete the sentences. Example, the monster has big small wings. So you have to look at this picture and then you have to circle a correct word from these two. From the words present in the box, you have to circle the correct word according to the picture. So the monster has dash wings. Just look at its wings and tell me, are they big or small? They are small. They are small. So the monster has small wings. Second, the monster has a dash tail, short or long. Look at this one. Look at this monster and tell me, the monster tail is long or short? It's long. It's long. So you have to circle long over here. Number 2, the monster has a dash tail. Look at this monster and tell me, its tail is short or long? Its tail is short or long? It has short tail. It has short tail. The monster has a short tail. Number 3, the monster has dash horns. Look at this monster. Just look at his horns and circle the correct one from this. The monster has big horns? No, the monster has small horns. So you have to circle small over here. So activity number B, draw a line from the word to the picture. Show that what each monster is doing. There are 4 monsters and 4 words. You have to match the monster according to the word to show that what the monster is doing. This monster, is it running? No. Is it sleeping? Yes. So you have to join this monster with sleeping. This monster is sitting. This one, is it running? No. Is it flying? Yes. So you have to join this monster with flying. The last one, he is running. The last one is running. So you have to join this monster with running. So last activity, activity number C, draw a picture of a monster, color the picture, write sentences about the monster. So what you have to do is you have to take a register and you have to draw a monster in it. You have to create your own monster. Then you have to fill these sentences like, my monster is, the monster you have drawn, is it happy, sad, good, bad, angry, sleepy? Okay, so you have to write, my monster is, what is he? He's happy or sad? He is happy, so you have to circle happy. Is it bad? So you have to circle bad. Is it sleepy? So you have to write circle sleepy. Second one, it has one tail, nose and mouth. It has one tail, nose and mouth. You have to make 3 sentences with these words. 1, it has one tail. Second, it has one nose. And third, it has one mouth. Okay. Third, it has dash, eyes, wings, legs, hand or teeth. It has eyes, wings, leg, hand or teeth. You have to fill this according to your monster. Number 4, it has dash, red, blue, green or yellow. Then you have to write over here tail, wing or horns or anything your monster has. It has a red, blue, green, yellow tail or anything you have. So what you have to do, you have to make a monster, you have to color it, and then you have to fill these sentences. Okay, so we have covered lesson number 5 of unit 2 and we have ended unit 2. So inshallah from tomorrow onwards we are going to end unit number 3. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You want a lecture on some specific topic, just comment below the video or DM me on Instagram. My ID is over your screen. I will meet you tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Allah Hafiz.